Hey cuties! So today I am going to be doing a giant dollar store haul. I went to 2 different dollar stores and did some damage. It's not just junk and random stuff. Honestly, it's stuff that is super cute, I'm gonna use, and I can't wait to show you, and you guys are gonna like it. So I got some really good finds. Stay tuned and let's go! Okay guys, so if this is your first time seeing me, welcome! Consider subscribing. It's free to do so you can join in on the insanity that is the life of PiinkSparkles. If you've been here forever, I love you so much. Thank you so much for still being here and sticking by me. And if you've rediscovered me, hi, welcome back! Let's go! I went to 2 different dollar stores, Dollarama and Dollar Tree, and just for reference, I live in Canada, Saskatchewan to be exact, so maybe you can find these things if you live around me, or yeah. So anyway, I'm not gonna say this is from Dollarama and this is from Dollar Tree because it's all just mixed in. Thumbs up if you guys want more hauls, and let's go! I got some good stuff that's not just like junk. I know like when you go to the dollar store, like I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go there for like this, this, and this, and then I leave with a handful of stuff. Like, Exhibit A! I've been trying like heatless waves. I bought like this thing to do like, yeah, anyways, heatless waves, wear at night. So I've been trying to like experiment more, and I have been told and seen a lot about rollers, and I saw them at Dollarama. I don't know how much these were. So they're, okay, Dollarama's between $1 and $5, and Dollar Tree, pretty much everything is like $1, between $1 and $1.75. So it's a cheap haul. Like I think this whole haul altogether is probably like $100, probably $120 maybe. We love an affordable queen. So these are XL ceramic hair rollers. They're so cute. The colors of them are like bubblegummy pink, pastels, and there's big rollers and then medium rollers. There's no smaller ones in there, so there's 6 in total. And at the same time, I got these clips for that to like clip the rollers in place. I can put the rollers in and try it out. I'm not the best with hair, as if you know me, you know I'm not the best with hair, but I try. So I'm gonna try, and yeah, these were $2 each. And these are also good if I fail with the rollers. At least I have these clips, and these are good for like straightening your hair, curling them. So next I have been, well, I haven't been drinking. So I've been very much on my upload game. I've been so much more energetic, active, getting back into the things I love, and that includes journaling. I've been finally back into journaling. That's a whole different video, but basically I kind of lost myself for a minute there and lost my drive for journaling was one of the big ones, but I'm back, baby. And the love for content. I've been like obsessed with making content. So I got some stickers. Look at all these cute stickers. These were all at Dollarama. These are so like whimsy and cutesy, and the back of them are different as well. Like these banners, you could be like Tuesday, July 20th with like this. Oh my god, they're so adorable. There's 2 sheets in these too. I thought these were so amazing. Look at this. It's like I don't know, a fairy garden vibe. Like even this, like to write in here, like put a picture in your journal and like to write like had so much fun or love at the lake or something, or like I don't know. These are just, there's so much inspiration, and these for like lining the pages. There's just inspiration. I just had to get these. And then these ones I saw in the crafting section. I love giant flower stickers. They make the journal pages turn out so well. So these are a must. Okay, then in the book section, never skip the book section at Dollarama. They always have different books. They have like coloring books, they have word searches, they have celebrities books, they have like biographies. They have like literally $40 books for like a couple dollars. This was $5. It's, I don't even know, Miss America, Taylor Swift, Annual 2025. There's like crosswords in here. My bestie is like obsessed with Taylor Swift. So whenever I see something, especially, there was only a few left. I don't know, he'll probably love this. So, oh, there's like magazines and stuff, answers to everything. Here's a quick glance, but I'm seeing him right away, so I'm gonna give that to him. I love when you see a gift and it just reminds you of somebody. I realize my pigtails are crooked. I mean, we're crooked everywhere, girl. Don't even worry about it. If you're crooked everywhere too, join the army. I mean, like, join the club. Don't join it. I am not talking about the military, girl. We are not getting into politics. That's not what I meant. Jesus. Girl, I could never. Let's go on to some food. These Mirage bars, they're like 70 cents at Dollarama. They are my favorite. They're like an Aero, if you've ever had an Aero before. They're just like milk chocolate, but they're super light and like bubbly inside. And they're better than an Aero in my opinion. Looking at them, they look like they would be like filled with coconut or like marshmallow. And no, they're just solid chocolate. I did get some healthy snacks. Okay, so I got 3 of these because I've had these before. These are dried mangoes. The ingredients are like literally mango and it's dried. But yeah, they are so good, healthy. A healthier alternative than like to eating like, you know, a chocolate bar or like chips or something. For a sweet tooth, just grabbing like one of these, they're like this big. Like, so, I mean, they're really good. I have had those a couple times, so I was like, I'm gonna venture out and grab the other kind. So I got some apricots and then prunes. Don't judge me, I love prunes and I love pooping. So, hand in hand, girl, poop and prunes. Okay, I found this in the kids section and I was like, pardon me? There's Oral-B at the dollar store and it's color changing and it's what the frick is this called? A wire. I'm blanking on what the frick. Battery powered toothbrush. But I feel like it's called something else. Anyways, a wireless tooth. No. I'm having a stroke. Like, were you a mechanical? An electric toothbrush! Holy shit! I don't care if it's kids or not. And you can change out, look, you can change out what it looks like. That is so exciting. Like, I scooped it up right away. The next time I went to Dollarama, they were all sold out. And then I haven't seen them since. So it was like, people, like, look at this. It's actually Oral-B. Yeah, I'm gonna get into this. Oh my god, and it comes with the batteries too. That was a really good deal. Like, when you see something at Dollarama, don't sleep on it. Another great thing I found is Tiger Balm. I have one of these in my purse, but I saw that they restocked it, so I grabbed it. And then again, the next time I went to Dollarama, it was gone. Tiger Balm, it's a pain-relieving ointment, very popular in Asia. And yeah, it's just, you take a little bit of it, you can put it on your temples if you're having a bad headache, on your muscles, wherever you're having pain, and it does work. Like, it's not like a placebo effect. It actually takes the pain away. These were the last ones of this kind. There was lots of strawberry, but I was like, hey, let me try these granola bites. These are organic granola bites by Made Good. I've seen this brand in the grocery store before. Okay, then, girl, I had to. Now you're like, granny panties? Okay, no, maybe. They are ladies' biker shorts with spandex. So they are like Skims. They're dollar store Skims. I am gonna see if these work. They're nude, so that's a good thing. $3.50, okay? I'm gonna include a clip right here. Okay, so it's not that flattering. It's fine. I love your body no matter what. This is what it looks like before and after. Okay. Okay. I feel like it gave me a tiny bit of a lift and a little bit sucked in. I think that was worth the money, girl. I still got my pouch. We don't care. I think this was a win. Yes. Skims who? Oh my god, I got the cutest hair clip I've ever seen. If this was in like one of those kiosks in the middle of the mall, this would easily be like 20 bucks and it was $2. This I actually got today at Dollarama. So if you guys are at Dollarama or in Canada, you could go run and grab one of these. It's so freaking cute. Like a food claw clip. You're joking, right? I'm not sure what. Oh wait, where is it? This one. Like, is that a scrub daddy? What the frick is this? A hot dog? Hell yeah. Like, yup. And a cheese. Like, this is my new favorite hair clip. Like, don't at me. Oh my god, I was looking for some like AirPod cases. They didn't have any, but I saw this and I was like, ah! For my cell phone? Bye. Look at how cute this is. Oh my god, I thought it was a bracelet, but you can clip it to your phone. And some people say like, iPhones don't have like places to clip. Well, yeah, you can. What I do is I clip it like here. Clip things right here. Or you can clip it here. Yeah, it's annoying for when you have to charge, but cute. I think this is adorable and this would go look cute with my phone case. Look at that. Oh my god. I told you, I got some cute stuff that I will actually use. Okay, so I got this because all my nail polish is expired. All of it's like separated. It's like 15 years old. It's all gross. And sometimes when I don't I have a pedicure right now. I just got some sparkly glitter toes like 2 days ago, so I'm obsessed with that. But I hadn't had a pedicure for like months, since the beginning of the year. So in between colors or like pedicures or something like that, I just wanted a basic nude. So this is Sinful Colors and the name is Void Mouth Con. Me reading the warning label. Salt Bath Babe. Okay, so this neck bracelet. Are you kidding me? them by accident of the exact same one. Maybe I'll just give it to my bestie. Like, what? What am I? They look like this. Cute. It's just cute to like stack. I love wearing my Pandora. So just like a cheapy little bracelet to stack. And then the butterflies have this on them. Okay, so then the other bracelet I got, I'm gonna open it here. It's like a fake Pandora, but could also be cute for stacking because I have been loving jewelry and stuff lately. Like decorating my body. Here's the fake Pandora. It's so cunty and cute. There's like a little mermaid tail. So adorable. I don't know what this says. What does this say? Literally it's like scribbles. And I don't worry about like color, like mixing colors or anything like that. Gold or silver, doesn't matter to me. You're like, we could tell. I got some scrunchies, some big scrunchies. These are so good for the gym and they're adorable colors. I got another claw clip because I like to have one like in every room of the house because my hair gets annoying. And in my car, every purse, like, so it's just always good to have a claw clip. Your girl needed oven mitts. Mine are disgusting. All the tops here are like burnt and like food caked on them in here and they're disgusting. These ones are just like lemons. All the other ones were like cringy or it looked like Nona's kitchen. Like, no disrespect to Nona's kitchen, not at all. But like, my vibe is not Nona's kitchen. My vibe is like trash. So I have no business having something that's representing Nona's kitchen in my kitchen, okay? And these say, every day is a fresh start. Me on my first day of not drinking. Okay, this headband was adorable! Adorable! I have to like find a look for it. But look at this. It's so pretty and like spring. I love the colors. Like these like soft pastel colors are definitely a vibe. And I got these sleep shorts because I was like, these were $2. There's one in here, but I was like, it looks like two. So let's open it and see what we got. I got a medium. Okay, cute. These are twerking shorts, girl. Like, oh, yes. Oh my God, they're super, super thin, but these are so good for just bumming around the house. So cute. Oh my God, the picture was literally here. Why would I think it's two? Because I'm an idiot. I got a Hello Kitty toothbrush. I don't use these like, you probably should to like keep the germs out, but I do use kids toothbrushes, not because of like I love the kid vibe, my inner child. Soft bristled toothbrushes are pretty much always kids toothbrushes, so my dentist has said to me for me to use a soft toothbrush, so I mean, why not have it Hello Kitty? Even though I just bought an Oral-B one, but you can't go wrong with having two. Then we got some General Tso marinade. Never tried this before. This was Dollar Tree. I was like, okay, so I'm gonna marinate some chicken in this maybe. We'll see how it goes. I'm always down for some chicken marinade. I'm always on the hunt. Like this one too. Sweet and sour. This is a stir-fry sauce actually. I might do sweet and sour chicken and marinate this, or I'll actually use it as stir-fry sauce and do like stir fry, obviously. Okay, then I found this. This was Cholula seasoning. I've never seen this in stores. Jalapeno lime taco seasoning. So some fish tacos or shrimp tacos. Ooh, even like chicken tacos with that on it would be amazing. Okay, I needed bobby pins. I don't know why, but I only have like 2 bobby pins. I don't know where they went, but bobby pins always seem to disappear, right? Like hair ties, bobby pins, socks, like those are just like a replacement kind of thing. I got this phone case because, well, one, it has a heart, and sometimes I get like sick of just, because I have like really cutesy ones. Sometimes I just want plain ones, and I can never ever find my phone, and I found it at the Dollar Tree. And it's a huge heart, and it's cute, and I don't have anything like this. It's just a rubbery one when I want to be basic, so hell yeah for finding my phone case. Okay, had to get this extra ass pen. Look at her. Yeah, this is adorable. Like I said, I've been journaling a lot, so imagine like I'm just like journaling away. This is probably how you picture me journaling. I don't know if it's gonna work well, but it's gonna be cute. Okay, these, I don't know what they are. There was only one of them, and they were hanging where the sunglasses are, but they were the only ones. So I don't know if they were supposed to be there or somebody got it from a different section, or if they are for sunglasses. But these are, and I just read bling, and I saw bling, and I said, yeah, I'm getting that. Bling car hooks. That's all it says. That's all it says. And they are like curved like this. So like hanging sunglasses on there maybe, or hanging, oh my God, they're already like coming off here. Oh well, that's fine, whatever. I'm coming off, I'm coming unhinged, I'm ungluing at the seams as we speak. I don't think they're for anything specifically. If you guys can give me suggestions, maybe they are for sunglasses, maybe they're for your shopping bags, for your purse, for my tacos, I don't know. Okay, then I got some bathroom spray air freshener. When people come over, I like to just because we have cats and stuff like that. Sometimes I just like to in their like cat area, you know. Why buy the expensive one when you can buy the cheap one? It's just gonna dissolve in the air anyway, right? Just buy a good smelly one. These I've never seen before. These are like room refreshers. Celia and Genevieve, like, I feel like serial killers named these after the scent of the woman. Anyways, yeah, you just like pop them open like a tuna can. Come on, Celia, open your tuna can. And then you put this on it once you remove. Jesus, okay, Celia. And then it'll smell. I couldn't pre-smell them, so they could smell like shit, or they could be super strong, could get a headache, but smell good house. Yes, I love my house smelling good. Okay, I was leaving the hair section and I was like, what is this? Girl, look at this. Look at how cute this is. This like silk clip. And it's in a heart, like a side heart. And it has these long, like, oh my god. This would look so cute with this outfit if I did like a little bun moment, or if I bought 2 of them. Oh my god, this is adorable. I had to grab it. It was like $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Like, hello? The last 2 items in this haul are makeup items that I got at the Dollar Tree. These I'm gonna take a chance on. I don't know. I feel like they're a little stringy. Maybe we'll see how they look, but maybe I'm hoping for a fairy vibe, so we'll see. And then this is the last thing I got because I was like, I can go crazy in the makeup section, but the makeup is not always the greatest. So I was like, this highlight though looks promising. So we'll see how it goes. It's a highlight powder glow. Looks really pretty. It's like a champagne. So that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys found any cool things or like scores at the dollar store. I love watching these videos. I hope you guys love watching them too. I hope this can make you smile today. If not, I hope something else can bring you joy today. And I love you guys. Hug yourselves if there's no one to hug you today. Let's, ow! Me just abusing myself. Bye guys!